Hey, this is Mitya from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you are notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to create a vocal swell effect. While well-tracked, clear and understandable vocal will always have appeal, there are occasions when you need to think beyond the box. Although vocal performance styles vary considerably among vocalists, there are several universal approaches for producing sumptuous soundscapes, and the reverse vocal swell is one of the most applicable in the music production. Bearing this in mind, in the next tutorial I will show you how to create a vocal swell effect. As you can see from the project, I duplicated the main audio vocal channel and reversed it in the audio editor by clicking on the reverse icon. Then I choose which part of the reversed vocal I want to work with. I place those parts on the start of the main vocal words I want to emphasize. Finally, I process the reverse vocal with the reverb and mix it with the main vocal.
I saw the earth turn sideways, colors on display, dripping through the clouds above and the sun's gentle haze.
Let's hear the final vocal sound in the contents of the full mix.
I saw the earth turn sideways, colors on display, dripping through the clouds above and the sun's gentle haze.
I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.